Reading is one of the strategies to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation in Nigerian Pidgin English. As you listen to the text being read, take note of the underlined words and expressions. They will be pronounced and explained in the glossary at the end of the text. Should you come across any additional words or expression that you don't understand and they are not explained, put them in the comment section for further clarification. Money vanish from banks. No be today people money start to dey vanish from their bank account through mago way. Sotey the Central Bank of Nigeria and other commercial banks bin dey draw people ear to warn them about GBT people. Complaints of people wey dey lose money to 419 people na wetin dey happen every time for Naija. E dey also happen well for different parts of the world, and the people wey dey do dis thing na G-boys or yahoo. But e be like say people no dey too fall mugu for them again, sake for say the rate of how the mago people dey use the fraud citizen don reduce well. Mago way. Sotey GBT people, 419 people, Naija, G-boys, yahoo, fall mugu, sake of say well.